Do you find messy wiring and poor installations to be annoying? Time to upgrade your dinosaur decorations to meet modern threats. 100% wire-free experiences available at iBot, like our off-the-grid weatherproof 4G LTE Go Anywhere security cameras. 355-degree pan tilt and zoom lets you monitor live from your smartphone your animals, crops, large estates, or construction sites with no power and no Wi-Fi. Well equipped with a siren plus two-way audio to deter wannabe criminals from your property. Receive live notifications when people and/or vehicles are detected. Customer service that pretends it's your birthday. Even your internet signal could be great again with our iBoost Wi-Fi extender. No more hating your Wi-Fi signal with 1,200 square feet of coverage. Once Wi-Fi is figured out, our super smart Wi-Fi security cameras will beat your expectations to death. Day or colored night, rain or blazing shine. Receive instant notification. 360-degree active air patrol with motion tagging and tracking available, both outdoor and indoor. Our dust-tight 130-degree super wide-angle robot even provides time-lapse videos. Smart Wi-Fi plugs and ear-popping Wi-Fi horns also available. To live in your world, you get peace of mind from ours. iBot Company Limited. Don't wait, call now. 233-4968 or 288-4136. Tomorrow's solutions, today.